achievements, and silent efforts that often go unseen.
May I now invite our respected Principal Madam, Mrs. Renuka Balivada, to present the annual report highlighting the academic progress, co-curricular achievements, and milestones of the year.
Excellence is not an act of chance, but a habit shaped by vision, discipline, and purpose. Good evening to one and all present here. Namaste. It is with immense pride and gratitude that we welcome you all to the 43rd Annual Day celebrations, Avishkar, Colors of Expression of Vivekananda Residential School for the academic year 25-26. This occasion is not merely a celebration of achievements, but a reflection of perseverance, values, and the collective spirit of our institution. We extend a warm, respectful welcome to our guest of honor, Raghuraman Sir, MD Senior Physician, Patron, and Chief Advisor, VRS. Thank you, sir, for gracing your occasion. We take this proud moment to acknowledge our esteemed Chairman, Dr. Sudhakar Rao Pulsani, whose vision, commitment, and guidance continue to steer the institution towards excellence. We express our deep-felt gratitude to our founder chairman, Dr. Velchala Kondal Rao, eminent educationist, renowned writer, freedom fighter, whose ideals continue to inspire generations of learners. Our sincere appreciation goes to our Director of Academics, Dr. T. Lalitakumari, whose dynamic leadership and academic foresight have strengthened the foundation of VRS. We also place on record our heartfelt thanks to our correspondent Rotarian Harihar Prasad for his support, and we place on record the profound gratitude to Dr. Gandra Lakshman Rao Sir, Advisory Committee member of VRS, for his inspiring leadership, valuable suggestions, and steadfast support in all our endeavors. Guided by the timeless ideals of Swami Vivekananda, Vivekananda Residential School stands as a center of academic excellence, discipline, and holistic development. With a learner-centric approach, dedicated faculty, and a nurturing environment, VRS continues to empower students to become responsible, good global citizens rooted with strong values. It is my honor to present the annual report for the academic year 2025-26, showcasing a year enriched with academic milestones, sporting triumphs, cultural brilliance, and value-based education. Behind every confident student stands a committed teacher. Their dedication, patience, and passion shape not just results but their lives. We now take pride in recognizing the achievements of our esteemed teachers. Mr. Prashant, Vice Principal, received the District Level Best Teacher Award 2025 from the Telangana government in recognition of his dedicated support and commitment to children. B. Srinivas, Math Faculty, received Chukka Ramaya Ganit Puraskar at SRF Excellence Award 2025-26. B. Sridhar Gaud, PET, received National Level Best Teacher Award from Guru Student Parent Educational Society, Telangana. Now, I am going to read the names of the students from the primary classes who have been awarded at the various levels, and the students who have represented school at the national level. Great achievements are built quietly through consistent effort and collaborative belief. K. Manvindra, grade 9, set a world record by reciting all 118 elements of the periodic table in 1 minute, recorded in the International Guinness Book of Records. G. Ritvik from grade 4, Mohammad Fatih Zayed from grade 2, Sunkari Snigdha from grade 5, N. Adya from grade 1, G. Manvit Manav from grade 3 were the winners at the Arithmetic Genius Contest SIP Academy, India and received cash prizes. B. Vishwa and A. Bhuvan from grade 9 received first prize in the robotics competition at High-Techs, Hyderabad. Our VRS students participated in the SRF and SOF Olympiads and many of them have successfully qualified for the second round to be conducted on 8th February. Vishwak Sen Sarvabhaum of grade 5 secured first place and was selected for the state level in the junior chess competition held at Karimnagar. I request the parents to kindly clap. It is the achievements of your student or your children. Thank you, parents. P. Akshaya and S. Sai Hamsini of grade 2, B. Sai Himani Reddy and P. Devanshi of grade 4, M. Laukya of grade 5, N. Samira of grade 6, N. Yashashwini and B. Sirichandana of grade 7, Sonchi Priyal of grade 9 became official participants in the Guinness World Record by taking part in the largest group of Kuchipudi dancers. E. Brindavani of grade 4 won a silver medal in the kata event at the All India Open Karate Championship 2025 organized by Continental Shotokan Karate Do held at Karimnagar. N. Adya of grade 3 won the Swarnanandi Award organized by Kala Nilayam Cultural and Social Organization, Hyderabad. T. Shreyas of grade 3 won a silver medal in the kata event at the Sports Karate Championship 2005 organized by Okinawa Martial Arts Academy. Vedansh Aditya, Rishit Reddy of grade 1, A. Anyuta and Muhammad Umar of grade 3 and Muhammad Zayed Sharif of grade 5 secured first place in the state level Telangana Open Karate Championship. Many students participated in various other cultural events and won several prizes. At the national levels, N. Samira from grade 6, P. Megha Reddy from grade 10, Ranveer Singh from grade 12 won silver medals in CBSE South Zone Judo and played at the nationals held at Rajasthan. M. Sudiksha from grade 8 won silver medal and A. Hruday Kumar from grade 12 won bronze medal in the CBSE South Zone Judo. VRS Girls Kabaddi team won bronze medal in the CBSE South Zone Cluster 7. V. Yogita Reddy of grade 10 won gold medal at the SGF and played at the national level judo under 17 years which was held at Manipur, Imphal. M. Teja Varshini of grade 7 won a gold medal in SGF judo and played at the nationals which was held at Punjab, Ludhiana. K. Sahasra Kruti and V. Varshita of grade 9 have qualified for the state level shooting ball competition under Ashmita Khelo India program which was held at Rangareddy. K. Sadhana of grade 10 and P. Parnita of grade 7 were qualified to participate in the state level chess championship which was conducted by SGF under 17 years and Sadhana participated in the national level which was held at Agartala, Tripura. S. Sriharshini of grade 5 participated in the 15th National Sub-Junior Taekwondo Championship 2025 which was held in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. B. Akira of grade 8 played in the under 14 national level handball tournament which was held at Rajasthan. D. Bhavya Sai of grade 9 won bronze medal in the National Rope Skipping Championship which was held at Mumbai. S. Lasha Shri of grade 7 won bronze medal in the sub-junior under 37 weight category in the 3rd Telangana State Taekwondo Championship which was organized at Gadwal. The academic year 2025-26 stands as a profound reflection to the collective dedication of our students, teachers, parents and the management. The list of our students' achievement is extensive and truly commendable, sharing each and every one in detail would take more time than this evening allows. The complete record of the accomplishment will be published in this year's annual magazine. We sincerely hope our students continue to grow and excel in every field with the constant support of their teachers and the parents alike. And now, our primary little stars are all set to light up the stage with their spectacular performances. As they please sit back through the evening to enjoy and watch them perform. When learning is guided by values, success becomes meaningful and lasting. Thank you all for your continued trust and support.